Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what we have, my love, because are you making dinner?
Yes, I gotta tell y'all peoples today, because I made it. So today we felt like for some barbecue chicken. So
yes.
I barbecue a whole chicken. I think it was a female. Yeah, so barbecue a whole chicken, right? Then I made homemade potatoes with my little ingredients in there, little season up. Then I made broccoli. Then First Lady topped it with some cheese.
Some
you know what I'm saying?
mozzarella.
And that's about it. Then that's it.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like it. No. Y'all love it now. LA and I love it. I know that, okay? I love it too. So we're back.
I'm ready to dig in.
Taste that first. And you tell me how it goes. I'll look before it goes. That's alright?
Ooh.
Don't do that.
Oh, you did something different to it today.
Last time you tell me I did something different, you know, you pissed me off and prep me and get up, you know.
Whatever.
Alright.
Family, I'm so sorry that I did not insert the clips.
Oh yes.
For the mangoes that we took from the mango bush.
But
we're gonna do it today.
we're gonna do it today. And then you're gonna get part 2. Remember, it's 3 parts to the story. So I'm gonna give you a part 2 today later on in the video. And then we also got mail. Alright.
I'm hungry, guys.
You see that, family? But no. You know what? I'm not gonna say it's too early for that, so wait for it. I'm not gonna say it.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh no, yes. Oh, stop this for Richie. Today I got the Gatorade on deck, you know, always. But I'm gonna give me some soda first. I wanted to try this one again. The lemon kiwi. So Frank, you got your juice already? Go ahead, eat. How it tastes?
Gatorade on deck. Delicious. What's it, my good? On the SMR now.
SMR this morning.
It's hot.
It's a
Just
SMR
like I like it. Nice and hot, just like how I like my food.
Yes, yeah, SNR for real.
SNR?
SNR. Shadis and Richie.
ASMR.
Alright, family. What's going on with y'all good people today? You know I got the Grace. Got the 2 different type of Grace. I got the Rastaman Grace and I got the Grace right here. I want a Grace. I'm not Grace this month.
I'm not Grace that. I got like on the
wrong one. I think I got the other one. No, I'm sorry from you. Scratch that. That's not Grace.
Oh, I thought it was a green one.
Yeah. Alright. I can't wait to taste this. How is it? You taste a piece of chicken, right? Tastes good? Okay, family.
Everything is delicious.
Thank you.
Very,
I tried.
very well good.
Family, here. I'm going to give you some potatoes with some of my famous barbecue sauce. I'm going to give you a piece of chicken after, okay? Just hold on. Don't rush me, because I'm going to give it to you. I know you're going to say, where's the chicken, Richie? All right, there we go. Hold it for a few. Go ahead, take it. There you go. All right. All right.
That's a chicken winner dinner. I have to do the other way.
I want this one.
I'm gonna hold it backward.
Yeah. Drop my yours. Look like I drop my yours.
Yeah. So you can see it.
Family. Look at that.
Look at that.
Okay. That's a big piece of Mama Jama.
Imagine if it dropped.
I'm gonna big sinner. Pick it up. Wow, that's a big breast, Tom. I should have brought a knife. I don't even know how to use a knife.
Let me get a knife and cut it up for you?
Yes, please.
Let me get a knife.
First thing you cut it up for me.
We'll be right back, guys.
We'll be back.
It's hot.
Alright, family. Now, back to action. You know what I'm saying? Yes. She did. She cut up good, I know. Thank you for saying that.
This barbecue sauce is really good.
It's good, right?
It's very good.
And then I had to put my twist in there, you know?
Yeah, so I was watching him cook.
I thought I don't
Putting
look.
all kind of, yeah.
Don't look, I should be stealing my recipe.
No, I don't. Well, I do.
Alright, hold on first. Let me get a piece and then I can start eating my food, please. Because I want to eat my food. I gave a piece of chicken because I was cut up. That piece was too big. And then I didn't want to give her that much a big piece. Come on. There we go. Let's not stay. Come on. Stay. Right there. Alright, good.
Maybe something. You dedicated in feeding them up.
You know why?
Very nice.
You know why? Because
You want
if I don't feed them, the food gonna be done quick. So I gotta give them first. Then I enjoy the rest of it, you know?
Okay.
That's what I do, family.
That's how you do me.
Yes. Yo, I love how that broccoli tastes crunchy.
Yeah. You cooked it really good.
Are they good?
Yeah.
And you know I don't make broccoli. You be making broccoli. But I did good for the broccoli for the first time though, family. First lady always make the broccoli.
It came out good.
Thanks. Alright, first lady.
Because we don't like it crunchy. I mean, crunchy. We don't like it softy.
Yeah.
We like it crunchy.
So we're going. This sauce came out good.
It did.
With my special ingredient in there. That's how we do it. So how your day been going, family?
Oh, good.
Yeah. Oh. Hold on. I didn't forget. There's action. So who won?
Oh.
I didn't forget. I appreciate everybody. I gave the answer for what I asked. Where was our first time eating breakfast and where we was, right?
Yes.
And drum roll.
I did that good.
You did it good. The first person that got it was, every time I say your name, Big Boss, I think it's Detrell. Detrell? Yes, I know. Detrell. Detrell was the first one. Big up yourself. The second one was Crystal Stewart. Big up yourself. And the third one, you know what it is already. Big up yourself, Mama Shay.
Mama Shay.
In the building. We appreciate y'all. You know that already.
Mama Shay's name sounds like it should be in Mortal Kombat. Finish him.
Yes.
Mama Shay.
Finish. Finish him. Sometimes we do stuff like that, you know? Throw out some trivia questions out there to see, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all for that. So, you never know when we gonna throw something out here.
She got your whole video.
For real. And you never know whose name we're gonna call.
I think it's true because,
I love calling people names.
yeah, because it was really funny.
Ooh, nice one.
Okay.
Time already. You never know.
You never know because we always call family member's name.
That's right.
Because if we're talking,
And a situation come up where like we could blend in with it.
Yep.
We throwing it out there.
throw it in there. We'll let y'all know.
That's what we do over here, you know? Appreciate every one of y'all though. I'm happy. Like your food look like it's going fast today, First Lady. You can have some of mine. You moving fast.
I'm barely talking
I know, you moving fast there.
because the food,
Good? Alright.
I'm gonna slap the owner. As Richie would say.
Wanna slap me. That barbecue sauce ain't no joke.
You did a good job with barbecue sauce.
They're good, right?
Yeah.
Family, my barbecue sauce be hitting, I'm telling you. This barbecue sauce is called, you wanna know? What is it called first, lady?
Mix up, mix up.
There we go. The mix up sauce. When I was making first, I said, damn, you know how to, what's the word? You know how to,
What is that?
this is something. It's an important, it's a word that people use a lot. Improvise.
Oh yeah, because we didn't have one of the ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
I can't say it because Richie goes,
Shut up, business.
Talking business.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't have one of the ingredients, and I was like, oh, maybe I gotta go to the store.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know I don't like going to the store for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
So, and he said, no, it's alright. And it came out just delicious. So,
Yep. Sometimes, Henry, I know you gotta do it. You gotta do it sometimes. You gotta improvise. The potatoes cook right.
yep.
Okay.
Every time I eat a thigh, it amazes me.
Right.
Well, I can't eat a fried thigh
Right.
unless my sister made it or you made it.
Mm.
If I go to a store, a restaurant,
Yeah.
I can't eat the thigh that's fried, but I can eat it baked, rotisserie, you know, like that, grilled, but not fried. It amazes me that I never used to like the thigh.
Yeah.
You know, I love it.
Love it now.
It's so much more juicier to me.
The thigh?
Yeah. It's very juicy.
Yeah.
A lot of Korean dishes,
Yeah.
they use thighs. They don't use the breasts because it's more juicy.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not that person. This is good. Ready? You want me some chicken? You didn't have your food fast today.
Oh, I'm hungry.
You was hungry?
Are the chicken batty this you give me?
You mean try too much fun?
I'm not yummy.
This piece ain't got no pepper on it.
I'll put it right here.
Yeah, take a piece of mine. See?
Me not yum chicken batty because if I don't
I
take
gotta
it,
get first on some of my chicken.
if I don't take it, he'll keep on asking me.
You damn right.
So,
They're gonna say, yeah, I gotta give you some of your food because I always take your food. I know when first they don't have a lot of food.
so
When first they don't have a lot of food, I gotta give her some of my food. You understand? This right here is seasoned. This is chicken neck. You want a piece?
all for the season. The amount of times, to me, I came in the kitchen and I asked her father if the food is done. At one point, I'm sitting there in the kitchen on the computer, you know, doing stuff. She comes in there and said, "What? What you said, Daddy?"
I ain't gonna call her.
And me and Richie's like, "Nobody called you." She's like, "Oh, I thought you guys. I thought Daddy said my name." So I said to me that the food was ready. She's like, "Oh, that's not why I was coming in here." Yeah, right.
You know that's what she came in here for.
Well, what you said, Daddy? Ain't nobody call that girl. Watching the pot.
You can have next broccoli.
I have this right here, baby.
Oh yeah, right there?
Ah.
Alright, family. Part 2
Oh yeah.
of the mango bush. Okay.
That's what we call it.
Yeah, we call it mango bush. Okay. I left off when I was saying here. Miss Betty moved. She's
Yes.
about to move. Right? So before she moved, I told her, we got so close to her. I used to go over there. She asked me, "Oh, Richie, could you put up stuff on Craigslist for me and offer up?"
Yeah.
I was selling her furniture. That's how close we got.
Yeah.
Okay?
Very nice lady.
Very nice lady, sweet lady. And she said, "Richie, I got a buyer for the house," and I told him all about you and your wife. I told him you were the manga guy and manga woman. and even though I sold my house, yeah, they always come to the manga. The guy said, "No problem." The lady said, the next lady, "No problem. It's fine, no worries." So,
So good.
Miss Betty moved now. So me and First Lady, when it was mango season again, me and First Lady watching the tree and say, "Yes, this tree gonna bear a lot this year." Right? So we watching it. So it bared. I said, First Lady, no, this is gonna make a move and introduce ourselves. We went there, rang the bell. Before we even rang the bell good and the people looked out, they busted and said, "Oh, I know who y'all are. you the mango man and the mango lady. I said, yes, we are. I said, I'm Richie, this is Shanice. He said, like, yeah, I already know about you. Miss Betty already told me about y'all. I said, okay. She said, go back there and help yourself. What? Me and First Lady went back there. Again, I'm in the tree. Shaking the tree while First Lady running around, grabbing the mangoes and putting them in the bag. Picking mango, picking mango, picking mango. Right? So, picked mango that day. We went home, ate mango, right?
Yep.
Soon as the mango start going down low again, we go back over there. The next a couple more days, we go back over there. Family, we was going there so much. When we went to ring the bell again, the lady said, yeah, I don't have to ring the bell. Yeah, just go back there and help yourself.
Yep.
Because you're regulars. Just go back there and help yourself. You know what I'm saying? Went back there, do our thing again. We even pick mangoes for them too, because they don't really like it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So we picked some for them. They said, take as much as y'all want. Take as much as y'all want. We took so much mango, family. We brought it to the Jamaican stores. Then we gave mangoes away. We made mango juice.
Oh my God.
We made all kind of stuff. Cause when the mango them get so ripe, as we're gonna show you in the clips them today.
We're gonna show you today, right now.
We're gonna show you today, right now. Ripe, and instead of throwing them out, you can squeeze them and make juice.
Yes.
So, me and First Lady was making mango juice. Matter of fact, I'm lying. Mama Dukes, my mother-in-law, Shanice's mother, was like, Richie, we was gonna tell them about that today was so ripe, yeah, soft. Hey, Richie, what are you doing? You better make mango juice with that. She told me, she helped me squeeze them. We was making mango juice. We was doing everything, family. We ate so much mango till we was mangoed out. We had mangoes all over the counter. We eat mango breakfast, lunch, dinner. Oh my God.
When I come home from work and Richie come home from work, first thing we do after we take a shower and stuff, we get all the mangoes wash them, put them in a bucket, and we sit in front of the house, and that's our dinner. We used to eat 20 mango, 25. They're so little.
They're so little and sweet. So we became a regular then, right?
Yeah.
So we kept going there every time we ran out of mango. Kept going, and we go and whatever, keep picking mango. Same routine. Come home and eat. Come home and eat. Till I'm gonna tell you a three-part story. Till one, watch that mango season done, right? I ain't bored, man. Mango season was done, right? And me and First Lady know when the mango tree gonna bear.
Yes.
So me and First Lady looking at the mango tree, say, yo, this mango tree look like it's not gonna bear this year.
Yeah, we were so, oh gosh.
We were so mad. We were like, this not gonna be. Me and First Lady talking like, yeah, it looked like it ain't gonna be. But remember, it was the same owner. So, we say, you know what? This mango tree ain't gonna bear this year. So, when it came around mango season, no mangoes.
None.
Right? The following year came again. Me and First Lady say, yo, what's going on with this tree? Did we take all the mangoes then? Every other tree was bearing except that mango tree, right? So,
oh my gosh.
No mango to bear that year. So me and First Lady had to find different routes of getting mangoes.
Cause we got to get our mangoes.
We got to get a mango. We did find different routes.
Yes.
So, but we wanted that mango, right? So, he didn't bear. So the following year now, it starts sprouting. I said, First Lady, we gonna have a field day on this.
We're gonna have mangoes this year,
yeah, but we're gonna have mango this year. But the problem is, the other owner that owned it was moving too.
Oh Lord,
So we're gonna continue from there, and then we'll give you the final story after that.
Yes, because we gotta open up our
mail. Okay. First Lady, you do the honors. First Lady, you full?
Yeah, I'm full.
You sure?
Yep.
Family, is she full?
I'm full.
Okay. All right. Here.
I am full. I was hungry. Cause when me hungry, I'm hungry, you know.
I want to be full.
Ooh, I am full, my love. This package came from Mama Shay.
Get over here. Get over here, Mama Shay.
Finish him.
Finish him. We appreciate you. You know what it is already, Mama Shay.
You already know.
You already know what it is.
You already know how they go. You already know.
You already know. Likewise, you know that, Mama Shay. Respect. Big up yourself.
Ooh.
What we got in here, Herb?
Some shaky my youth.
Mama Shay, what you got in here for us?
Uh-oh. Let me fix my hair.
Fix up the Niecy
my
Minaj.
Nicki Minaj. Niecy Minaj.
Niecy Minaj hairstyle in the building.
Niecy Minaj. You guys know that this is a may I tell her my business? This is a
Brazilian?
hair a hairband wig. Shut up.
Okay.
Okay. What does that tell you?
When you see a straw, what that tell you?
What does that tell you? What does that tell?
Oh, Mama Shay, come on now.
What?
Don't do that.
Ooh.
You're making us feel special now.
Okay.
Okay.
Straws again,
Straws
which we
again.
always need.
You know it.
And if you would not believe it, the straws that Twin Green sent us, Tamia and Vincent, are also hogging it again.
Wow.
So we're gonna hide these two because I'm tired of looking for my straws.
I already know. Mama Shay, I already know what's that over there, Mama Shay. Hey!
Ooh! Wait a minute!
Hey! Richie in the building. Richie in the building. You already know.
Yo!
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have to be drinking 4 juice a day.
Yeah, we're gonna be drinking from 2 cups.
Yo, we're gonna be
I'll be drinking from 2 cups. Oh no, that's nice.
We have to rotate.
Oh my
We have to rotate.
Check it out, family.
We have to
Mama Shay.
rotate. This is nice.
You came through a crunch time. God damn.
Wow.
Now we're gonna have to pick and choose which cup we're gonna drink out of now.
I'm gonna have to rotate.
Yeah, we're gonna have to rotate.
I'm gonna rotate.
I'm not gonna take it out of plastic, family.
I know me.
Yes, but you already see what it is again. I got a Richie,
Gosh.
and she got a first lady.
This is so nice. We love stuff like this.
We
This
love
is
this.
nice.
Mama Shay.
You know we drink kind of stuff all the time.
Come on now, oh man, first lady. I'm like, listen, I don't even want to put it down to make it all roll over.
Roll over.
Damn, this is nice. Look, it's the same size as the other one too.
Yeah.
This could hold a lot of juice now. Mama Shay, you know I gotta drink a lot of soda in this. You know that, right? I'm gonna drink a lot of soda. Wow.
I love the gold.
Yep.
I love everything about this cup. This cup and our cup that we have from Twin Green will be getting put to good
now,
use.
Mama Shay.
I don't have my glasses
To
on.
be honest, you got a nice handwriting. A very nice handwriting.
Not like mine.
No, your handwriting nice too. You write nice too, but Mama Shay got a nice handwriting. Go ahead,
Yes.
first lady.
Okay, so the letter says, "What's good, family? Hope your day has been amazingly blessed. Here's a little something because you all looked out for my family and I during the most horrible time. I feel like I need to write who gets what because Mr. Richie wants everything."
Come on now, Mama Shay. Why you gonna do me like that? Come on now.
Laugh out loud. Is it a laugh out loud? Just kidding. Anywho, the white straw goes with First Lady as well as the silver straw. Richie, even though you never use a straw, it comes with your customized cup. So you get the black one. Love you guys. Stay blessed. Enjoy, family. Bless up, Mama Shay, a.k.a. What is this? Oh.
Yeah,
okay,
we can say, yeah. We ain't gonna say the rest. Mama
Thank
Shay,
you.
That's what we do, Mama Shay. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
We look out for you
because
you look out for us.
That's what we do, Mama Shay.
So it is. We're a family.
We're a family.
We are family.
We appreciate those
So
gifts.
that's his cue to tell me to be quiet. You
No.
don't want me to sing?
Time I run out. I forgot you my wow.
Oh, okay.
We appreciate you, Mama Shay.
Thank
As
you so
always,
much.
You know that, Mama Shay. Love everything. Also, this
black
is
one is
mine.
yours, yes.
Okay, thank you. Yep, I like my black.
And you get a
black.
silver one.
And I get a silver one.
Yes.
See, she's separated already right now. Okay. So now I'm gonna give you out a wow.
Yes.
Yo, that joint is seasoned.
What, your chicken?
Yeah, man.
Come on, Tiff,
Next.
come on.
Okay. Family. That's nice. I like the gold on it. First lady. Confidence isn't thinking you're better than everyone else. It's realizing that you have no reason to compare yourself to anyone else.
Yep. Can I ask you something?
If you're new, like, comment, subscribe, and share. We are almost at 3,000.
Yes, we are.
And we appreciate y'all for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying?
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. Thank you again.
Thank you, Mama Shay. We appreciate you. As always, you know what it is already. That's what we do.